Anytime you want to say anything in English and you think your brain tells you I will, stop. What is the next thing you want to say? I repeat, when you think in English and your brain tells you I will, I will, I will, stop immediately. What is the next thing you want to do? Do you want to say I will be there? Do you want to say I will do it? Do you want to say I will go? Do you want to say I will see? Do you want to say I will take? Or do you want to say I will eat? Let's choose one. Who wants to choose? Please choose. We know the one you choose. I will eat. Go ahead. Hey, yeah. Why did you change? We know that you have to choose eat. Why did you change? Okay, better. Okay, he says I will take. Because our mind is on take, we are going to concentrate and put take in that future sentence. Therefore, we are just going to say prang dre. Like we said, we only have three major sounds: re, ra, rong. Re, ra, rong. Later, I will show you here which one is taking re, which one is taking ra, which one is taking wrong. But just from this one, you already hear the sound which I gave you. Je prendrai. You will not add any other thing. You will just say je prendrai. That is all. It already means I will take. But what is it already means I will take. Nothing to add again. Next one. Who else wants to say something? I want to catch the person who wants to say I will eat. I want to catch that person. Ali is a big problem. Ali is a big problem. That is why I said these are problematic people. For first group verbs, like these verbs are N, O, P, R, right? First group. Remove this person. That person is not first group. All these ones will be very simple. Very simple. You are just going to be adding those endings there. You just same verb, don't change it. They are easy. But this man is a problem. Big problem, man. You want to say I will go, right? What do you want to say? I will go. When you think in English and you think I will go, immediately you think I will. What is the next thing? Go. That is what is in your mind. Go. You are only going to concentrate on this verb which means go, and you put it in that future simple. And then this one, ignore it and put your normal shoe. And that is why we are going to have our simple J re. You know why I did this one like this, right? You know? Big problem. Big problem. So you are just going to have j'irai, which means I will go. Which means I will go. This is completely different from I am going to go. Completely different.